Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to install Linux virtual machine in AWS. So friends, we will install Linux server, Linux virtual machine in AWS step by step. So friends, before going to start, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start here. How to install it? Let's see step by step here. So first of all, you can see this is my AWS management console dashboard here. Okay, from here we can launch virtual machine, or you can click here services and then click on EC2. Okay, now click here EC2. Now we have to click on launch instance. Just click here and click on launch instance. Now you can see Amazon Linux. It's a free tier eligible. Two machine are free. These two are free tier eligible. We can install any of them. Just we have to click on select here to install it. Click on select. Now you can see we can install this machine for free, so no cost will be there. Okay, now click on next, configure instance. So here you can see number of instance 1. You can create your, if you have your VPC created, then you can select from here, or I have to select no preference for this availability zone. Okay, you can create your own subnet. Host type you can select here. I'm not going to do anything. Okay, now click on next, add storage. So in free tier we can use only 8 GB. Okay, now click on next, add tag. Here we can add tag, give the machine Linux machine name, Linux-VM tag here. Now click on configure security group. Now friends, here we have to add rule like HTTP, add HTTPS, okay. So friends, we can access via SSH, we can access via HTTP, we can access via HTTPS, TCP, okay. Source will be from any. Okay, now click on review, and now friends, click on review and launch. Now click again here to launch. You can review what setting you have done. Okay, now click on launch. Now friends, we have to generate a key pair, security key. Here we provide Linux key, Linux security key, security key. Okay, now click on download key pair. Now we have downloaded. Now click on launch instance. Now click on view launch log. Now click on view launch log. Okay, you can see successfully. Now we have to click on view instance. Now you can see it's pending. It will take some time, 5 to 6 minutes to. Now you can see, now it's running status. So it's still checking security status. Let me check. So you can see instance state is pending. It's checking security status check. You can see it's pending here, still checking security status. Check to check. Okay, let it complete. You can see security status check is initializing. Now friends, you can see 2/2 check passed here. Now first of all we have to, you can see this is Putty. You should have Putty here. Now we have to download Puttygen. Click here, Google. Now type here download. Puttygen. Okay, we have to download Puttygen. Click here to download. Now download Puttygen here, 64-bit. Click here to download. Now you can see Puttygen downloading here. Just click on install here. What we have to do, you can see we have downloaded this key. Okay, now we have to decrypt it and generate code here. Okay, we have to generate private key. Click on load. Now select here downloaded security key. All file. So you can see we have downloaded this one, Linux sec key. Click on open. Successfully imported. Okay, now friends, we have to click on save private key. You can see save private key. Just click here. And are you sure to want to save this key without passphrase? Yes. Now save this with new VM, Linux VM private key. Okay, now click on save here. Now close this Puttygen. Now we have to open Putty. Just click open here, and now click on SSH. Expand SSH here. Now click on auth. Now we have to browse private key. Browse here. This one my private key. Now click on open. Okay, now go to login session, and here we have to provide your public IP. You can see this is my public IP. Just copy here and copy and paste to host name IP address. Okay, now click on open. So you can see asking for authentication. Accept. So you can see we are now login prompt. So friends, you can see we got login prompt here. So friend, let me show you how we can get password. Click on connect, and you can see username is AC2 user. Okay, and type here AC2, sorry, AC2 user. Okay, press enter. Now you can see we have successfully logged in here. Okay, so friends, you can see we have successfully logged in our Linux server. Then type here for root user. So you can see we are logged in with root user. Now we can install here. So friends, we can command is yum install httpd pd -y. Now your server installation is progress. So you can see it's installed here. So friends, now we can check service says httpd status here. Sorry, service http status here. So you can see still it's inactive, dead. So we have to start our https service. Start. Now we can check status. So you can see some line where now you can see status active running. So let's try here to open. Just paste here. Let's see here. So you can see our https work, our Apache server working fine. So friends, in this video we have seen how to install Linux virtual machine in AWS Linux server, how to create Linux server in AWS. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.